With cross-site scripting, you could do anything from implementing a keylogger and reading users' keystrokes to stealing their cookies and getting a full-on account takeover. Or you could involve it in an exploit chain with other vulnerabilities that have higher impact and potentially even get remote code execution. That's a thing that's happened before. So when we're testing for cross-site scripting, a good place to start is to see how the web application handles your input. And here it just seems like it's reflecting it onto the page. And if we look at the source code, we can see there's two places where our input is getting reflected. So next good place to start would be to test how it responds to some common characters that get used in HTML and JavaScript. And it looks like it's rendering them fine, but if we look at the source code, we can see here that quotes and angle brackets are getting turned into HTML entities. So these won't be read as valid HTML or JavaScript, but here it looks like it's rendering them just fine. So let's just try a basic cross-site scripting payload. And here it looks like the beginning, the HTML image tag, is just getting wiped away. It's not getting rendered at all. So what's likely happening here is we have a blacklist that is looking for all instances of the combination of characters open angle bracket img. So what if we just, do individual instances, like 3 instances of that forbidden string in between the individual characters that make up the string. Technically, the web application should remove all the instances of the forbidden string, leaving only the individual characters, which will then be concatenated together into a valid instance of the image tag. Boom. There we go. And there's our alert function.